Okay, here's the first edition of the EO Minute. I'm trying to keep this around 60 seconds. But I just got my doTERRA Living magazine in the mail, and they had a whole DIY section in here about just changing up your cleansers to detoxify your home and eliminate those toxic cleansers. And majority of cleaning products on the market are toxic. They are endocrine disrupting, which means they can cause cancer. So we want to remove those from our home and replace them with healthy alternatives. And it's really simple. And guys, it's crazy cost effective to use essential oils and vinegar, Castile soap, water, those types of options. You mix some of these ingredients together and you're going to have a fantastic cleaner that does not hurt your body. So, melt tea tree oil with distilled water and white vinegar is a great all-purpose cleaner. A grease cleaner would be wild orange, distilled water, and vinegar. Glass cleaner would be white vinegar, rubbing alcohol, and cornstarch. These are just a couple of the recipes in the book. But if you can Google essential oil cleaners, and for any type of job that you have in your home, you can create a very easy, very economical recipe from toilets to bathrooms, everything in between that are healthy and safe for you and your family. Okay, so that's your EO Minute. I challenge you to take an hour this week and detoxify your cleaning products.